As you have seen the thumbnail, guys, we're gonna unbox gaming headphones and a mystery box. Mystery boxes, in fact, because there are a couple of them. Why mystery boxes? Because we have not told you what is inside the box. So in order to know what's inside the box, let's do the unboxing. And the prices would go from the least expensive to the most expensive. So there's a total of 50k spent on this particular video buying all the products. And let's get started. Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to another unboxing video. It's been a lot of time we have uploaded an unboxing video, so here we have one, and this one's gonna be awesome because we have spent a lot of money in this and the products are also really of good quality, so pretty sure you'll like them. So here we are unboxing the gaming headphones and a couple of mystery boxes. So let's start off with the gaming headphones. Here we have the gaming headphones, the very classy looking box we have it here, gives the gaming vibes definitely. And we can look at the specifications. It has HD audio, dual driver system, adjustable headband, one cable control, 7.1 surround bass, which is the sound, auto adjustable headband, RGB lights, and many other features which are really cool and awesome. It's 3,500 rupees with a 12-month warranty card, and it is made in India. As you know, we promote only manufacturing, we only promote made in India products, so this is also a made in India product. So basically boycott foreign products. Yeah, so here we have the gaming headphones. Here's how it looks from the outside. We should look from it inside. So let's quickly open it. So here we have the headphones, the user manual and the pouch. These are the three stuff you're gonna get once you open the box, along with the warranty card and the bills. So here's a user manual which nobody reads, and this is the pouch. I don't know, using gaming headphones is not allowed. We should carry it in a black pouch. Nah, just kidding. It's a really good quality pouch to carry your gaming headphones. And yeah, obviously we have the gaming headphones which are pretty big, like literal big. Anyways, so let's see the gaming headphones. They're looking really very like luxurious. They look like really costly ones, which is not big. They look like some for 10k, but they're not. And the cable, the quality, the cushions, the mic, everything is of really good high quality, and I really like them. So now let me show you the RGB lights, which are really very cool. So this is the cable control, the remote. You can control the sound, bass, modes, everything with this one thing. They gave a hard disk. They had to give a hard disk, but they didn't give it. I didn't receive it. Maybe it's only for a few people. But yeah, let's look at the lights. So if you press the button, we can see this colorful transitions of lights, which are really looking cool, really awesome, gives the gaming setup vibes. And when we press the button, it changes to this neon light setting, which is my personal favorite. And next we have the color changing thing. From one color to another color it changes. This also is really cool. And next if you press, we'll have a red color stationary thing, which is only for red, like if your setup is red and all. If you press it, the lights will be off, and that's it. It's okay. So this is how it would look if you wear it. So it looks really cool on anybody, especially me. It looks so cool. Nah, just kidding. But then yeah, it looks really cool when you wear it, and the mic is a little bit. Anyways, so these gaming headphones can also be used for online classes and schools. And talking about schools and colleges, this video is sponsored by St. Joseph's Junior and Degree College. So this is one of the best junior colleges in Hyderabad, offering children a variety of courses like MPC, MEC, BIPC and CAC. Why choose St. Joseph's Junior College? Because it has best learning facilities, creative education plans, and it provides the best future for all the students. The admissions are open, guys. You can choose among the multiple branches and be a part of this college. So contact the number right below or visit their official website to take admission, or follow them on Instagram or Facebook for more details. The Instagram link, Facebook and website link are given in the description. Thank you so much, guys. Now let's get back to the video. So guys, from the mystery boxes, we have the cheapest one. This is the Gamepad, and it looks pretty bad because the boxing, the packing was not that great, so it got completely crushed during the delivery. I don't know whose fault it is, the packing's fault or the delivery fault. When you open it, it will look something like this. The gamepad looks awesome. Even though the packing is not good, the gamepad is of good quality. You get a couple of user manuals, bills and warranty cards, and a cable obviously to connect it for charging. It has zero lag Bluetooth connection with 400 mAh battery for 12 hours long non-stop gameplay, and compatible up to 400 plus games, which is pretty awesome. So this is how it would look if you attach it to a smartphone. So this is only for Android, but then I found a way to use this Android gamepad for other stuff also, like PC, tablet, iPad and all. And wait, this is how it looks when it comes to a smartphone. And the smartphone, what game is this? Battlegrounds India, the Indian version of SubG. Wait, what? Isn't this the game we need to pre-register every day? The game they said it will come but it never comes. Okay, let's not get into the game. Let's continue and unbox. Okay, enough talking about BGMI. So this is how the gamepad looks, along with the opening thing where you can keep your smartphone. So yeah, this is the look. Okay, so we're back with the second mystery box. So let's open and see what's inside this mystery box. Okay guys, you guessed it right, this is my new smartphone. As you can see the specifications over here, this is the new Samsung made in India M series smartphone, and yeah, it's made in India. So while we are unboxing, without wasting any time, let me mention all the specifications for this device for all those technical geniuses out there. So this comes with a 6000 mAh battery, 15 watt fast charger with the Super AMOLED display, and it has 16.21 centimeters full rectangle with 15.76 centimeters rounded corners, full HD Super AMOLED display. It comes with a quad camera, as you can see, 64 megapixel camera, 8 megapixel camera and 5x2 megapixel camera, which is total 4 cameras in the rear view, which is the 4 quad rear cameras. And in the front we have the 32 megapixel front camera, which is the selfie camera, which is pretty awesome. And as we can see, this is completely manufactured in India, designed and engineered by Samsung, and that's pretty awesome. So this is how it would look when you like turn it on. The interface is like this. Android, obviously I love Android. I don't like never mind. So this is how we do. We can select the language, and let's just quickly go with this part. Okay, so once we do the setup, this is how it would look with the default wallpaper and the default apps, which I'm gonna delete all of them surely and get what I want. Okay, so here are some pics which we took from this camera. So they look pretty awesome, and the quality might bit differ because I'm showing it in a video, but then the pictures came out to be really awesome. The zoom, the fisheye lens, everything was pretty superb. We can probably make a camera testing video, and this we took from the macro lens, which is awesome. Okay, so that was 20k guys. Now what I'm gonna show you is the last box or last product, which is the Tab A7 worth 25,000 rupees. So this one is actually for more educational purpose, like all the test worksheets and all will be here. And yeah, so this is the Tab A7 Samsung made in India, and you can see the what all stuff you will find inside the box. And yeah, it's made in India. Again, I'm telling you, because we love supporting made in India products and help boycotting foreign products. So previous Samsung phone was worth 20k. This is 26k. And yeah, let's just continue. Well, now that's a lot of money. Just kidding. Let's get back to the unboxing. So here we have the Tab A7. Let's just quickly open it. So first we get a pouch. Let's just remove that, and let's just look at the tab first. So here's the tab. As we can see, let me just remove it and show you. So this is the tab. It looks really slim. The first look is pretty awesome and premium. I really liked it. And now let's get back to the the tab itself. So this is the webcam over there. It has a 5 megapixel webcam. Usually webcams are given in the the vertical top side, but here it's given in the horizontal top side, which is pretty unique. And we have the rear camera, which is 8 megapixel. So here is the box. Inside the box you can find the data cable, you can find the user manual, ejection pin, obviously the tablet itself, and also the adapter. So these are all stuff you can find inside the box. We'll just get back to the tab again. So here's a tab, very slim looking tab. So let's now talk about the specifications. It has 7040 mAh battery with adaptive charging, 15-watt charger, 3 GB RAM, 32 GB internal memory, expandable up to 1 terabyte. And as I've told you previously, it has 8 megapixel primary camera with 5 megapixel front facing webcam or the front camera. So the screen size is 26.31 centimeters, and it has display resolution of 2000 into 1200 pixels and a 10.4H symmetric bezel uninterrupted visual experience for gaming, watching videos, multitasking and more. This one line I have read it, rest all I remember. And it has Qualcomm Snapdragon 662 processor, which gives you an amazing and seamless gaming experience. So let's quickly turn on this tab. So this is how it would look, and as you can see, it's compared to that much. And yeah, this also has a pouch. As you can see, this is the pouch they gave. It's pretty good to carry it in it. We can keep this inside this and avoid dust and keep it anywhere you want. Yeah, and the pouch is also really good. Thank you so much for watching the video, guys, of unboxing gaming headphones and mystery box. That's not so mystery because now you know what is inside it because we have unboxed it. Also, please do check out St. Joseph Junior and Degree College. The admissions are open. Please do click the link in the description. Instagram link, website link and Facebook link have been given in the description. Please do click it and get more information about them. So thank you so much again, guys. Click right here to watch our latest video. Click right here to watch the unbox series, and click right here to subscribe to the channel. Thank you, guys. This is Shashrik signing off for today. Bye bye.